welcome back to my channel. And for today's video, I am going to share with you the birthday celebration of our youngest daughter, Pakizah. So stay tuned until the end. Thank you! Hello! Ayan, ready na. Waiting na sa bisita. Kamusta kayong lahat? Welcome back to my channel. Today is Pakizah's birthday, and of course, we are going to make balloon decorations as per our traditional way of celebrating birthdays. As I always do, I will make a simple balloon decoration. And this is the one that's my favorite because it's very easy and yet nice. This is very basic actually. But I will just make another kind of decoration because though I always do the same thing, but I always make sure that it will not be the same decoration as I made before. So whatever is in my mind today, I'll gonna share it with you and show you whatever kind of balloon decoration that I'll gonna make today. Since my husband bought four colors of balloons, I think those colors are really good combinations, and I don't really want to use blue and red today because in a few months or few birthdays that past, I use blue and red or green and red. So I'm gonna use blue and lavender. I think they are perfect combination, though they are not really bright color, but I think it's good. We use one red on the center to contrast to the color. And then most of them are just blue and lavender. Here's the result. It looks good, right? You should not care about money. So the person she opened the card and so much money fell. Wow, this is a nice card. Yes, very nice. It was where it was so twisty, where there's some stories and blue and right. Oh yeah, I remember that. I also loved it. It was so hype. And this is why when we sing it, it's like a role play. I feel so excited to do that. Mother, you know, if we were still. Wait. After the decoration, of course, the food. So we made the macaroni vegetable salad, another kind of vegetable salad, which are cucumber, tomato, onions, and the carrots. This is very common here. One dish food, which is chicken karhay. After the cooking, we have to prepare for ourselves. Hello, ayan, ready na. Waiting na sa bisita. The celebrant and the grandmother. Of course, the nun. Ayan. No, it's okay. Sit down. Ayan.
Come on, baby. Please come.
Come. Here's our food, the chicken karhay. And of course, this is a very easy to cook. And the vegetable salad, macaroni salad, and again chicken karhay, and of course drinks. The dessert, which is our favorite, the lychee plan. And the birthday is not complete without the birthday cake. And here's her birthday cake, the chocolate mocha flavor. And the party is not complete, or it will not be completed without the tea. Sorry, I was not able to take the video.
You ready, baby?
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Pakizah. Happy birthday. World Cup singers. Happy birthday to you. Oh, yay! Happy birthday. 9 years old.
चल बे मुंह तो मुंह सीधा कर तेरे बाल लग गया है पाकीज़ा हाँ हुन आया फेस सोनू क्या होते हैं पीछे खड़ा हो जाए आ जाएंगे माशाल्लाह माशाल्लाह बड़ा बच्चा हो गया
आप बाजी तो पकड़ लो पाजी में और तो खिलाओ तो
लेंदे जाओ बेटा हाथ से पकड़ दे जाओ बेटा हाथ रख के
अजमत
Oh yes, chocolate. Yes, so I have to get
चलो बस कर दो
the big.
And that's all for today, and thank you so much for watching. If you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Have a great day, and see you on my next video.